Welcome everyone. I am so excited that you're watching today. I am Chef Christy, and if you are new to my channel, I share quick and easy and delicious recipes each and every week. So I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel and hit the little notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my new videos. Today I am sharing with you how to make a calzone 3 ways. Now I have some dough back here on my stove that has been rising, and I will link the recipe for the dough in the description box below. But the calzones that I want to show you how to make is a chicken and spinach and artichoke calzone, a Philly cheese steak calzone, and then a hot Italian calzone. So these are delicious. You can make them ahead, put them in your refrigerator, and then reheat them in your toaster oven or even microwave. They're just a delicious lunch or dinner. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I have my dough here, and I am just going to cut this into fourths. This particular recipe makes 4 calzones. So if you wanted to make more than 4, then you would need to maybe double the recipe for the dough. So I'm going to just set my other pieces aside, and then I'll show you how I'm going to do these. Okay, so the first calzone that I'm going to do is my hot Italian sub. So I'm just going to take 1/4 of this dough and just press it out, maybe stretching it a little bit even as I'm pressing it. All right, so what I have, I'm going to take some sliced ham and just put the ham all inside here. And then I have some salami, and I'm going to place a couple slices of salami, and then I've got some really nice pepperoni that I'm going to place in here as well. And then I have some banana peppers that I'm going to put, and these are spicy. And then I want to show you real quick how to make a sauce to go over this. Now this is mayonnaise, and to that I'm going to add some of the seasoning packet of the Italian seasoning. Now obviously I'm just making enough for one, so if you were going to make all of them the hottest stuff, you would want to use more mayonnaise, but I just had about a tablespoon of mayonnaise and about a teaspoon of the Italian seasoning packet, the blend. Then I've just got some sriracha, just a little dollop, and I'm going to put that in here. Okay, and then I just have some golden balsamic, and I'm just going to put about a teaspoon or so of the balsamic right into the mayonnaise, and this is going to be my sauce. You've got to try it. So I'm just going to kind of just drizzle this sauce over top, and then I have some provolone, and you can use mozzarella if you like. I just really like the provolone. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stretch the dough over until you can get it nice and sealed. And then I do want to just cut just some slits just so that the steam can escape. And then I'm going to place this. Actually, you know what? I might want to kind of carve the initials. I'm going to do an I for Italian. Okay, so next I'm going to make my chicken with spinach and artichoke. And so I have a bowl, and I have about 2 ounces of cream cheese and ricotta, and then freshly grated Parmesan, and so I'm going to just mix these together. Okay, I've got this mixed, and obviously there again I am making just one, maybe two of these, the spinach and chicken. So if you're gonna use, if you want to make more of them or all of them like this, then you're definitely going to add more cream cheese, but this is just for this quantity. All right, so then I've got some shredded chicken, and I'm just going to mix that right in. And then I've got my artichokes, and these were in a jar, and I just took out a few, and I'm just gonna rough chop. I like big pieces. I'm gonna put that into my cheese mixture, and then I've got my spinach. And again, I'm going to just chop this as well. Just kind of makes it a little bit easier to work with. So I'm going to put my spinach in there as well, and then just mix all this together. And this will be our filling for our spinach and artichoke and chicken. All right, so again, I've got my dough all spread out, and then I'm just going to place some of this mixture right inside. Fold it over and do the same thing. Pinch the edges. Let's make a big S for spinach. It's just a small ribeye, and I'm just going to make very thin slices against the grain. All right. Okay, so the last one that we're going to do is our Philly cheese steak. And so I'm going to take my steak that I've thinly sliced and put it in a hot skillet with a little bit of olive oil. Then I'm going to sprinkle pepper. And some salt. Just kind of let that just cook and sear for just a minute. Okay, just when the steak is just about done, I'm going to go ahead and remove this because it will finish cooking in the oven. And then I'm going to add my peppers and onions. I'm just going to add just a little bit of olive oil. There we go. Okay, after our peppers and onions have been sauteing, I'm just going to add this beef back just to get everything mixed together. All right, I have my dough pressed out. And I am just going to place some of this peppers and onions and steak. All right, now I'm going to take a little bit of this sauce that I used for my hot Italian. You don't have to do this, but I have some extra, so why not? And then I'm going to take my provolone cheese and then just, again, fold it over, pinch the sides, and then And I'm going to put a P on this for Philly. Okay, the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush some egg wash all over the top of these calzones. Don't they look pretty? And then I'm going to bake them at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Check them out. They are beautiful. Okay, the calzones are all done and they are so beautiful and they're so, so good. So I really hope that you try these calzones. And one thing that I really, really like about them is what I will do is I will make a batch and I will let them cool, and then I'll wrap them in aluminum foil and put them in my fridge. And then the next day for lunch or dinner, if I don't have a lot of time, I'll just pull them out of the fridge, pop them in the oven for just maybe 10 minutes, reheat them, and they are so good. You can dip these in a pizza sauce, marinara sauce. You could even top them with marinara and cheese if you wanted to go overboard, but they are good all by themselves. So let's try I'm going to try the chicken with the spinach and artichoke. Cut this bad boy in half. Oh, it's like a spinach and artichoke dip or something inside of a calzone with the chicken in it. It is delicious. I don't know if you can see that steam, so I've got to try this. That is phenomenal. You've got to try it. I've really enjoyed showing you these 3 ways to make these calzones. So I hope that you have a wonderful day and I will see you soon.